Durga Chalisa in English rhyme with original text.
नमो नमो दुर्गे सुखकर्णी, नमो नमो अम्बे दुखहरणी। निराकार है ज्योति तुम्हारी, तिहूं लोक फैली उजियारी।
To Goddess Durga, bestower of happiness, I bow. To Goddess Amba, who but ends all miseries, I bow. Your light's radiance, unending and all-pervading flows, and all the three realms are enlightened by your glow.
शशि ललाट मुख महाविशाला, नेत्र लाल भ्रिकुटी विकराला। रूप मातु को अधिक सुहावे, दर्श करत जन अति सुख पावे।
Your forehead like the moon, and mouth very huge be, your eyes with a red glow, and a frightening frown to see. The look of you, mother, but ever enchanting does be, the very sight of which ensures welfare of the devotee.
तुम संसार शक्ति लय कीना, पालन हेतु अन्य धन दीना। अन्नपूर्णा हुई जगपाला, तुम्ही आदि सुंदरी बाला।
All the powers of the world repose in you surely. You provide food and wealth for all, survival truly. As Annapurna, you nurture the universe clearly. You, the youthful, timeless girl of extreme beauty.
प्रलय काल सब नाशनहारी, तुम गौरी शिव शंकर प्यारी। शिव योगी तुम्हरे गुण गावे, ब्रह्मा विष्णु तुम्हें निध्यावे।
At dissolution time's end, you destroyer of everything be. You, beloved consort of Lord Shiv, Gauri Parvati really. Lord Shiv and all yogis always chant your praise certainly. Brahma, Vishnu and all gods ever meditate on you surely.
रूप सरस्वती को तुम धारा, देसो बुद्धि ऋषिन मुनिन उबारा। धरा रूप नरसिंह को अम्बा, प्रगट भई फाड़ कर खंबा।
You also appear in the form of Goddess Saraswati certainly, granting wisdom to sages, ensuring their welfare perpetually. You, Mother Amba, appeared in the form of Narsimha clearly, emerging after tearing the pillar to safeguard the humanity.
रक्षा कर प्रहलाद बचायो, हिरणाकुश को स्वर्ग पठायो। लक्ष्मी रूप धरो जगमाही, श्री नारायण अंग समाही।
You saved Prahlad by protecting him completely. You killed and sent Hiranyakashyap to heaven surely. In Goddess Lakshmi's form, you appear undoubtedly and repose by the side of Sri Narayan indisputably.
क्षीर सिंधु में करत विलासा, दया सिंधु दीजे मन आसा। हिंगलाज में तुम्ही भवानी, महिमा अमित न जात बखानी।
Residing in the ocean of milk with Lord Vishnu eternally, Mother, please do grace me and fulfill my desires lovingly. The famed Hinglaj goddess is none else but you, Bhavani, everlasting in your glory, defying description perpetually.
मातंगी भूमावती माता, भुवनेश्वरी बगला सुखदाता। श्री भैरव तारा जगतारिणी, छिन्न भाल भव दुख निवारिणी।
You are yourself Matangi and Bhumavati Mata surely, as Bhuvneshwari and Bagla give happiness certainly. As Sri Bhairav, you but redeem the world unfailingly. As Tara and Chinmas Devi end sorrows relentlessly.
केहरी वाहन सोह भवानी, लांगुर वीर चलत अगवानी। कर में खप्पड़ खड़ग विराजे, जाको देख काल डर भाजे।
You are welcome, reposing upon your vehicle gracefully. The brave Langur Hanuman precedes you faithfully. In Kali's form, with sword and kapu in hand fiercely, even Kal flees in panic on seeing you so intensely.
सोहे अस्त्र और त्रिशूला, जाते उठत शत्रु ह्य शूला, नगर कोटि में तुम्ही विराजत, तीहूं लोक में डंका बाजत.
Seeing you well armed, with a trident in your hand fervidly, the heart of the enemy aches with the sting of fear fearfully. You repose in form of Devi at Nagarkot in Kangan certainly. Thus all the three realms shudder in the might of your glory.
शुंभ निशुंभ दानव तुम मारे, रक्त बीज संखं संहारे, महिषासुर नृप अति अभिमानी, जहि अघभार मही अकुलानी.
You destroyed demons like Shumb and Nishumb clearly, massacred the dreaded form of demon Rakt Bij shortly, and even of the over-arrogant Mahishasur, but so certainly, when earth was distressed, bearing the sin load severely.
रूप कराल काली का धारा, सेन सहित तुम तिहि सहारा, परी गाढ़ संतन पर जब जब, भई सहाय मातु तुम तब तब.
You took the dreaded form of goddess Kali fully, and massacred all, along with their total army. Whenever the noble saints were distressed truly, you came to the rescue, but ever unhesitatingly.
अमरपुरी अरुवासव लोका, तब महिमा सब रहे अशोका, ज्वाला में है ज्योति तुम्हारी, तुम्हें सदा पूजे नर नारी.
All the realms, including Amarpuri, divine realm clearly, remain sorrowless, happy by your grace unquestionably. It is your glory's symbol burning as Shri Jwalaji ever brightly. All men, women ever worship you, O Mother, unceasingly.
प्रेम भक्ति से जो यश गावे, दुख दारिद्र निकट नहीं आवे, ध्यावे तुम्हें जो नर मन लाई, जन्म मरण ताको छुट जाई.
Who sings your glory with devotion, love and sincerity, remains beyond the reach and grasp of grief and poverty, who meditates upon your form with concentration certainly, goes beyond the cycle of births and death unmistakably.
जोगी सुर मुनि कहत पुकारी, जोग न हो बिन शक्ति तुम्हारी, शंकर आचरज तप कीनो, काम अरु क्रोध जिर सब लीनो.
Munindra, all the yogis, gods and sages to declare openly, without your favor can't commune with God sincerely. Shankaracharya performed a special penance, Acharaj, truly, by virtue of which he subdued his anger and desires finally.
निश दिन ध्यान धरो शंकर को, काहू काल नहीं सुमिरो तुमको, शक्ति रूप को मरम न पायो, शक्ति गई तम मन पछतायो.
He but ever did worship Lord Shankar earnestly, never for a moment concentrated on you honestly. Since he comprehended not your Shakti and glory, his powers waned, and then he repented certainly.
शरणागत हुई कीर्ति बखानी, जय 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 जगदम्ब भवानी, भई प्रसन्न आदि जगदम्बा, दई शक्ति नहीं कीन विलंबा.
He thereafter sought refuge in you, chanted your glory, O Jagdamba Bhavani, to thee victory, victory, victory. When you were pleased, Goddess Jagdamba, finally, you then bestowed him with all his lost powers kindly.
मोह को मात कष्ट अति घेरो, तुम बिन कौन हरे दुख मेरो, आशा तृष्णा निपट सतावे, मोह मदादिक सब बिनशावे.
O Mother, severe afflictions distress me overwhelmingly. None but you can provide relief. End my afflictions quickly. Hopes and longings constantly torture me ever increasingly. Passions and lusts continually torment my heart unceasingly.
शत्रु नाश कीजे महारानी, सुमिरो इच्छित तुम्हें भवानी। करो कृपा हे मातु दयाला, रिद्धि सिद्धि दे करहु निहाला।
Destroy all my enemies, O Queen, forcefully. Goddess Bhavani, I meditate upon you only. Merciful Mother, favor me, make me happy, bestowing me with riches, powers, and glory.
जब लग जियो दया फल पाऊं, तुमरो यश मैं सदा सुनाऊं। दुर्गा चालीसा जो नित गावे, सब सुख भोग परम पद पावे।
Mother, grace me by your grace in life truly, ever recounting to all the feats of your glory. Whoever sings this Durga Chalisa enjoys eternally all pleasures and attains the highest state finally. muninmishra.blogspot.com